Hello, welcome. This is Kato from Shumatt, China. Today I want to share with you some of our product. This is our valve assembly. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check it. Okay. First, you can look at here. This is the package's VCI anti-rust bags. On this part, you can see there has a label on it. This part is the Shumatt logos. Yes, if you want to print with your own logo, contact us. Yes, and also the logo label, the packaging bags, and so on. Yes. Okay. For this part, it's a product code F00VC01377, and also in this part, it's the application model number 045110362 and 045110363. On this part, it's a QR code. Let's open it. We have two forms of our packages. The inside part is like this. This is the whole side. Actually, we also supply the separate one. The separate one, this is a valve cap with a coating and also with the curved letters on it, on this part. And this is the valve roll. We have different lengths and different sizes. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all the details. And about the warranty, we have 6 months. Yes, 3 tips for you. The first tip, use oil to clean it. The second tip, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. Yes. So much for our product introduction. Anyone interested, please contact us. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.